Two web hosting giants, InMotion Hosting and Namecheap, face off in 2025. Which one really delivers? On the left, InMotion Hosting, premium performance-focused hosting, and on the right, Namecheap. Affordable hosting for everyone. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Alright, let's lay out the battleground. We're looking at price, performance, customer support, features, ease of use, scalability, and security and backups. That's a lot to consider, right? So keep your eyes peeled because each category actually matters, especially if you're launching something new in 2025. Okay, starting off with price. InMotion comes in with more plans, so if you're picky or just want options, it's kind of nice. The starting price isn't bad at $2.49 a month, but honestly, it's more expensive than Namecheap. Now Namecheap, they're coming in hot with just $1.58 a month as their starter, plus you get a free domain in your first year. But hold on, some of those cool backup features cost extra, so don't expect all the bells and whistles for that bottom dollar price. Still, for sheer affordability, Namecheap's pretty tough to beat here. Winner, Namecheap. Alright, let's talk performance. InMotion Hosting, super fast. We're talking 200 to 300 milliseconds load times and a legit 99.9% uptime promise. Oh, and NVMe SSD servers. That's pretty top tier. Their entry-level plan is a bit barebones, but if you care about speed, it's impressive. Namecheap, on the other hand, gives you unlimited bandwidth, which sounds cool, and reliability is definitely there. But their load times tend to be a bit slower, 400 to 600 milliseconds, and you only get limited SSD storage unless you level up your plan. So yes, InMotion is obviously taking the crown here for pure performance. Next up is customer support. If you hate waiting for answers, listen up. InMotion support is US-based, available literally all hours, like 24/7, 365, and you have phone, chat, and ticket. That's awesome, though the interface can freak out beginners. It's a lot. Now Namecheap support is mostly ticket-based. They do answer quickly, but live chat and phone are pretty limited. Plus, you might find yourself waiting a bit longer than you'd like. Seriously, if you want that extra touch, InMotion feels more personal and responsive. So yeah, InMotion wins. Oh, and here's something cool I bet you didn't know. InMotion Hosting is 100% employee-owned, so every staff member actually cares about your experience. And Namecheap. They've processed over 13 million domains worldwide. Like, that's huge. Just thought you might find that fun. Let's get into features. InMotion pulls out all sorts of perks: free SSL, free domain covering multiple TLDs, and free migrations up to 10 GB. Unlimited email accounts, Softaculous installer, bold grid builder, and they throw in a massive 90-day money-back guarantee. You will have to pay extra for automated backups though. Now Namecheap. They give you a free website domain, any size migration, which is pretty generous, and on their premium plans you actually get free cPanel backups. But most of the good stuff is locked behind pricier plans, and the money-back guarantee is only 30 days. So feature-packed, InMotion's clearly ahead. Ease of use: if you're a seasoned pro, you might actually enjoy InMotion's crazy comprehensive interface. But for newbies, honestly, it can be a maze. Namecheap's the opposite. The dashboard is clean, setup is simple, and even managing your site feels stress-free. Some features are tucked away for premium users, but for the average person just trying to get online quickly, Namecheap's way easier. So Namecheap takes this round for sure. Let's talk scalability. InMotion comes prepared for your growth: easy upgrades to VPS or dedicated servers and logical step-up plans for when your site gets big. It feels made for businesses that want to think ahead. Namecheap can help you go bigger too. They've got VPS and dedicated, but honestly you'll need to leap to the pricey tiers as soon as you outgrow the basic package. Want the smoothest growth path? InMotion wins again. Security and backups: InMotion brings free SSL to every plan, spam experts, and extra malware tools. But automated backups are an add-on, so you'll pay if you want that peace of mind. Namecheap does offer basic backups if you're on their premium plans, and domain privacy's included, which is great. Just if you're on the starter plans, don't count on backups unless you level up. It's decent but not bulletproof. So for all-around security, InMotion has the edge. Let's take a step back and look at our radar chart. You can really see the strengths pop. InMotion shines in performance, support, features, scalability, and security. Namecheap though totally steals the show in price and ease of use. So here's my real take. If you want something fast, secure, and super reliable long-term, InMotion hosting is where you want to go. If you're just dipping your toes in, want to save every buck, and crave simplicity, Namecheap is honestly the smoothest way to start. Both stack up the free domain and SSL in your first year, so that's a win right out the gate. Just pick based on what you need and how much you want to spend. If you found this breakdown helpful, go ahead and bookmark for more hosting advice. Seriously, don't miss our next hosting matchup, it's gonna be good.